Alright, in this country exists a very big problem, and this is that employers don't think in the mental health of his employees. For example, these don't care if the employees have a very illness, an illness, or is a mental illness. That don't care in this. Just need to the employee work for this job, and this is a very big problem because a person with a mental problem, for example depression or anxiety or something like that, don't have the same capacity for do the same work of all the days. And if the employers are more sorry for forget this word, if the employers are more comprehensive, the things in the office are very better. For example, the employers can do games in the office for 2 or 5 minutes at the day, one of two times at the week for the employees
Teacher finish.
come out come out of the routine and respect the days special for the employee. For example, the holiday days, don't put a person up for work these days, or the permissions. For example, a mother birthday, things to do. If the employers respect these things and are very more comprehensive with employees, the things in the office are very better.